Here's how to create a smooth gradient background in CapCut PC. Start by adding a default text element to your timeline, type 1, and scale it up to cover your entire screen as a solid color block. Set this to your first gradient color. Duplicate this layer and change the duplicate's color to your second gradient color. Convert each of these layers into a separate compound clip. Select the top compound clip, go to Video Mask, and add a mask. Choose a mask style, such as split or circle, depending on the gradient direction you want. To create the gradient blend, increase the feathering of the mask by dragging its adjustment arrow. You can reposition the mask or try different styles to control the gradient's direction and appearance.